Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Walmart has gotten to the tablet game, and via their House On brand, they have an 8-inch and a 10.1 inch, and we have the 8-inch model for you today. Just to give you a sense what this is all about, $64, so it's cheap and cheerful. It has Android 9, and it has 1280 by 800 resolution, a 1.3 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, and yeah, it has a few other specs. But I think that the fact that this is competing against the Kindle, the Fireline, 7 HD, and the Nook, whereas this is Open Android 9.0.
Yes.
Not many tablets on the market have this modern day version of Android. So wonder what this is all about? Well, you've come to the right place. We're going to be conducting an extensive unboxing video today.
Let's crack this open for the first time here. Something that I noticed actually just looking at the box itself, if you catch some light, you will see the corrugated lines, because this is actually really just a cardboard box. It's not a box like the Amazon or the Barnes & Noble or any e-reader we've seen, because it's actually using cardboard, like actual cardboard with printing on top. You can even see the corrugation on the side. So it is efficient, I guess, that they don't have to make their own packaging. They just use, well, literally a cardboard box. So that's really nice. This company, you'll also find things like wireless speakers, headphones, wireless headphones, a whole bunch of different stuff. And as Mike said, it's their house brand. It's kind of like great value for the food they sell. This is their brand of electronic devices. You see, it is packaged upside down, so you're going to have to open it up like that. I don't know if that was a flaw, but you saw that the packaging was factory sealed. So we have a very flimsy tray, and remember, all of this is going into the cost of it. So even though we have a see-through plastic tray here,
it's junky.
Well, it is, but at the same point, you know, you're getting a tremendous value out of this. You have USB cable in a bag here. It is a micro USB, and you have a wall charger. It is extremely light. I don't imagine there's actually too much in there. You have the user manual, the product guide, and it is color. That's, of course, because Walmart is one of the largest companies in America. They also own Sam's Club in America. If you see one of those, same company as Walmart. Now we'll slide this open. So the back actually isn't what I was expecting. I was expecting just a completely flat back. This is almost a Denim-esque design. If I catch some light, you'll see some little cross-hatch designs on there, simulating a pair of jeans kind of thing. Their logo isn't embossed or piano finish or anything. It's simply just lasered on there during the production run. You do have a camera with a black space on the side.
It's 2 megapixels.
So I'm not sure if the black space is some sort of sensor or something, but they did expand it to the side, and there is no flash package, so there has got to be something there. We'll figure it out later. You do have a status indicator light with a power button, volume up and down, a micro SD card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, nothing on the side, and the USB port on the bottom. You do have a little film that goes on here, so you can see that it is a very, very shiny, it's extremely reflective. We have seen devices in the past like the Nexus 7 that put something on the screen that really reduces glare, but this is a full-blown mirror, and I would assume that's for cost efficiency.
Yeah, so you notice that there's a camera here at the top. Right. It's pretty well VGA. It's 0.3 megapixels. We'll see during our comprehensive review what type of value this has, but it is cheap and cheerful. Platform agnostic. It's just a generic Android tablet, but we'll look at everything this brings to the table and see if it's worth your money. For goodereader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.